I've just been asked a question. Sabor Hassin has said, "Sorry for disturbing, but you tell me about the Android app register form or web form. Any different or not?" Android app register form or web form. I'm not entirely sure what you mean by that, Sabor. If you could give me a little bit more, sort of signpost me into whatever it is that you want to get to. I'm not a strict Android developer. I said I was a mobile app developer, but what I use for my mobile applications is Appcelerator, because that allows me to cross compile down the code base using JavaScript. So it's basically like a Titanium. So Titanium is the framework, and I can write code in JavaScript, and I can then compile that down to the native iOS and Android counterparts. So in terms of the web form and the Android app for registration, you would probably be going through an API to do that. And that API would probably, that API would have to adhere to certain standards. So SSL security, it would need to be probably an OAuth token, that kind of thing. So you get given a token back and maybe even a refresh token. So in terms of the difference between the two, I would probably suggest that the first one is that it is written in Java because it's an Android app, whereas the web form would be server-based. It could be Java, but it might be something like PHP, or it could be Python. But you should think of the Android device as the client, and then wherever you're pushing it to is the server. But I hope that kind of helps in a semi kind of way. Let me just grab some tea.